Hello everyone, this is Ramesh Mantri from WhiteOak Capital Mutual Fund. We at WhiteOak believe that investing is a combination of art and science. And over a period of time, we have learned that the best application of the art and science of investing is in mid-cap stocks. Why do we find more attractive opportunities today in the mid-cap category? At India's current per capita income, a number of categories and industries are small today. Let me give you a few examples. Less than 10% of Indian homes have an AC. That is why India's largest consumer durable company is even today a mid-cap company. India's largest hotel chain is a mid-cap company. India's largest fast food retailer is a mid-cap company. India's largest apparel retailer is a mid-cap company. And as India's economy grows from $3 trillion to $5 trillion and then $10 trillion and more eventually, many of these companies, whether in the consumer sector, industrial, financials, and emerging sectors, will transition into larger companies over time. Even in the current market environment, there are certain industries and sectors that are not well represented in the large cap category. For example, in the capital goods space, even today, there's very little representation in the large cap stocks. So if there is a capex boom in the country, you will miss that opportunity if you invest only through large cap funds. Similarly, in the last 5 to 7 years, one of the hottest industries in India has been chemicals industry, and a lot of value has been created in chemical stocks. However, even today, there is very little representation of the chemicals industry in the large cap category. That is why an investment in mid cap stocks is warranted to get an exposure to the full spectrum of the Indian economy. While there are a lot of opportunities in the mid-cap category, picking the big winners in mid-cap is not easy. We all know the real big money is made when a mid-cap transitions into a large cap over a 5 to 10 year period. Just like while there are a large number of participants in Olympics, only 3 players in any sport get a medal. Similarly, the odds of picking the big winners in mid-cap category is not great. Over any 5-year period, less than 1 in 10 stocks from a mid-cap category becomes a large cap, and that is where really the big money gets made in markets. Let me explain you the difference between investing in large caps and mid-caps. Investing in large caps is like fishing in a calm sea because the waters are safe. A large number of fishermen fish in that waters. And that's why even if you're a skilled fisherman, you only catch a little more fish than others. And that is why active managers only generate small alpha in a large cap space. Investing in mid caps is like fishing in the deep sea. The fish is abundant, but there are also sharks in the water. So if you're a skilled fisherman, you can catch a lot of fish. And if you're not a skilled fisherman, you will be the lunch of the shark. And that is why managers who have skill can generate significant alpha in the mid-cap category. Now, what does unique elements that WhiteOak bring in managing the mid-cap portfolio? First is the investment in research capabilities. WhiteOak has one of the best resourced investment teams in the industry. Number 2, avoiding the landmines or the sharks in the portfolio, because invariably there will be corporate governance disasters in the market, and that is why WhiteOak has invested in a dedicated forensics research team. Number 3 is an investment process of investing bottoms up through on-ground research. The investment team does thousands of meetings a year, talking to listed companies, their competition, whether public or private, customers, vendors, trade partners, regulators, industry experts, to get a 360-degree perspective of the business. Number 2, the execution DNA of the management. And number 3, understanding the corporate governance practices of the company. While the mid-cap category in the long term is very attractive, let me remind you, it is inherently volatile in the short term. So we urge you to invest in the NFO along with SIPs. Dear investors and distributor partners, we look forward to your strong support and participation to make this NFO a huge success. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.